Hey YouTube, got some cool stuff to show. These two items came from Jeff Moss 26 of keypicking.com. Pretty cool stuff. These here are fire alarm keys for pull stations and the alarm boxes and whatnot. It's a Silent Night, Cat 45, PK 625, E005, 203, 17003, and a Cat 60. Also got this cool best core. It's a BA keyway. Six-pin, and we're going to put it into this GE Best padlock because this thing does not have a core. It's about to get one. Aha! Take the control key out. We stick an operating key in. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm not using the tripod. Don't know why. Set this down. Aha. And it's open. That lock definitely needs some oil. It's got like a copper-plated shackle. Actually, I don't think that's solid copper. That'd be weird for a lock. Oh. It's either solid copper or stainless steel because it's not magnetic. That is wild. If anyone knows why that would be, let me know. I'm curious. Copper shackle. You think that'd be really easy to cut? Huh. That is unique. Okay. Once again, thanks to Jeff Moss and Jeff Moss 26. Be sure and check out keypicking.com. Good stuff on there. That's it for now, guys. Thanks.